Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Cybertruck versus Audi R8. We'll explore their distinct features, performance capabilities, and intended uses. Understanding these differences will help you decide which vehicle aligns best with your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from their power sources to their practical applications, giving you a clear picture of what each has to offer. Let's dive in and see how these two unique machines stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, both vehicles impress, but in different ways. The Cybertruck, with its electric powertrain, can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.6 seconds. The Audi R8, powered by its naturally aspirated V10 engine, achieves 60 miles per hour in about 3.1 seconds. The Cybertruck emphasizes raw power and utility, while the R8 delivers a classic sports car driving experience. Each offers a thrilling ride, tailored to its specific design philosophy. Design-wise, these vehicles are worlds apart. The Cybertruck's futuristic, angular stainless steel exoskeleton is built for ruggedness and utility, offering a 6-foot bed and impressive towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. In contrast, the Audi R8 presents a classic, low-slung sports car silhouette, prioritizing aerodynamics and driving dynamics. The Cybertruck is designed for versatility and hauling, while the R8 is crafted for exhilarating speed and precision handling. Your choice depends on whether you need a workhorse or a track star. Considering practicality and value, the Cybertruck offers a blend of innovation and utility, with its electric powertrain and advanced technology. The Audi R8, on the other hand, delivers a premium, high-performance driving experience, emphasizing luxury and precision engineering. Both vehicles represent significant investments, but cater to different priorities. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your ideal vehicle depends on your lifestyle, needs, and what you value most in a driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.